What's up, guys? What's up, guys? Today, we're gonna be seeing how far the alarm clockman can get in toilet tower defense endless. Am I recording? Okay. Let's go. Stop. Okay. Without further ado, let's get straight into it. Thank God, dude. When the clock event was going on back in 2024, the alarm clockman was known as one of the best starters in the game. People still preferred to use mewing TV, but alarm clockman was known for being $100 cheaper. I'm not a pro at this game, so yeah. Alright, let's go. Okay, so first we gotta start off with the Santa. Wait, hold on, I'm recording. Okay. Let's start off with the TV men, the Santa TV men, because they were known as one of the best starters. No, okay, hold on. They were the best money farm in the game, but now because the game sucks and it's not balanced, it's not super good. It's still decent. It's worth a lot. It's also one of the first events in the game. Alright, let's go upgrade. Upgrade. Oh, look at all the toilets, just give me toilets. They're so fast. I don't think we can take them all at once. You guys, when should I place down the alarm clock, man? When should I place it down? Oh, I don't know. I think just to be safe to place them down right now. Right here? Right here. I'll place them right here. Oh my god, it's so OP. Look at it go! Okay. I have to go pee really bad, so I'll be right back.
I'm back.
Okay, oh, screw this. Actually, no. Ooh, I'm gonna let this game get back. Oh. Wait, didn't I say original, bro? No, I said that in the previous recording that I deleted. Speaking of recording, am I still recording? Yes, sir. You're good. Alright, now we got all of them to at least level 4. Oh, hopefully this guy can take out the large glasses to him. The bad thing about this guy is that he's very vulnerable to stuns. So hopefully we can take out all of these stun pellets early in the game. So now, I think I'm just going to start off by placing one down. Right here. And start maxing hammer powers. So we have our alarm clock to level 2. Level 3. Okay, bro, screw this. since I think that could take up most of the playlist now let's just start maxing out our farms. There's one Santa TV to level 5, 2 to level 5, and in one more wave we should be able to get our last one to level 5. Well, you can hear me, right? I hope you can. I don't even know what I'm going to do with this. I'll just switch my phone. Okay, we have one Santa TV to level 6. I think I'm just going to straight up get him to level 7, and we'll get the rest of them to level 7 from there. So in one more wave, we should be able to get it to level 7. I'm not even sure if you can hear me well. I'm holding my controller very far away from my face. Alright, let's go. Ooh, wait, there's some tanky toilets over here. It might not be enough. Ooh, I think we're barely going to be able to take them out. Ooh. Okay, it's just out of their range. And, okay, it was close, I think we can take them out. Come on, so close. Oh man, that was close. Oh, look at all these more tanky toilets over here. Now I have to upgrade them to max level. Alright, I'm gonna have to max now. Come on. Okay, yes, look at his range, it's so big. The alarm Clockman, when maxed out, does 2,000 damage, has 40 range, and has a 0.25 second cooldown. It's a decent unit, but it's definitely better. Okay, now we'll start maxing out our farms. So there's another Santa TV to level 7. And we're almost in one more wave, or a couple more kills. We should be able to get our last one to level 7. Oh, fun fact. You know that the alarm clock man makes an alarm clock sound when it attacks? Isn't that pretty cool? It's a cool design. Not as much as I love you, though. I do love my fans, though. You know, like my millions of fans. I'm famous. So. Alright, there's one level 8. Or max. Oh no, I don't think it's enough to... Oh wait, actually maybe it is. Oh. I'll upgrade this one to be safe. No! See, that's the problem with this guy. What I like about him, though, is that he does 360 AR. That's pretty awesome. Okay, come on, we have to max out our farm. We see up. Maybe I should do this more often. Guys, comment down below if I should do this more often. Because this is pretty fun. Alright, let's start maxing them out. One placed. Two placed. Oh! You good, Mud? 3 placed. 4 placed. 5. 6. 7. No man, by the way. 8. Wait, I lost track. Okay, whatever. Let's just keep it placed. What was that noise? Alright. I'll leave this guy here. He's in a decent place. Then I'll start maxing out this guy. There's 1 max out. 2 maxed. There's our third one for level 2. See, this guy's not bad. He's not the worst unit in the game. He's not the best. one of these suckers will get it because they're uh, fourth one. Let's go. Okay. Just hit a montage. It's not really a montage because I don't know how to do that stuff. If I do, then applause, applause. Thank you, thank you. Okay, let's go. I'm just shut up. That was my laptop. Sorry. No, sorry. It hurts my ears. It's not. It's not. I'm gonna get right. That's not in the range. Oh, no, it's not happening. Oh, okay. Get back to montage. When all these books might be signed, or I think it's fine. It's the argument. No, I think it's not. If you think that I and I'm never good, listen up. I played this game since like the first 2 months after this. It was success. My friends started this game like early 2024, and I think it's stuff with us for a whole year. It started to die down around like late 2025. Even if it's like 2 months. But I mean, yeah. The choice is like before the enemies, they all get these found out, so only the blink. Oh my god. I'm gonna do this guy. Let's go, let's go. Alright, wave 40. So far, it's getting a bit hard, but I mean, I think we can take out these guys. This guy's very, very strong. He's probably gonna blow this guy up. Yep. Oh my god. I think I have enough money to sell all 3 of my Santos and max out the final 3. Yeah. Oh, we took him out. Let's go. There's 1 place in max. 2 placed and maxed. And finally, 3. Final 1 maxed out. Now I guess all you can do is just wait. Was okay. I need this because I don't care. Come on. I want to at least get to wave 50. Yeah, it's 50 at least. And we can stop recording. No! Why are you hitting? Wait, how long is this video? It's only 15 minutes. Only 15 minutes. Okay, I'm just okay. I'm gonna lay down. I'm bored. I'm not bored. I'm just like, I'm tired. Lazy. I'm actually probably the least lazy out of my friend group. Yeah, I'm very fat. You look lazy. No, wait, hold on. No. This cannot be it. Wait. No! Yo, OMG. Yo. Try. Please. Please, come on. Come on, Daddy. Come on, Daddy. Keep on repeat. Push harder. Oh my god. Well, guess we died at wave 44. Oh wait, 44 waves beaten. Not bad. Well, there you have it, folks. Well, I'm Clockman. Make it to wave 44. That's how many waves it can defeat. Not bad. Like and subscribe.